Some customers have a innate ability to recognize quality craftsmanship or workmanship, and I don't always understand how they recognize it. Since I think that we're going to spend the most time trying to clean this unit, we will start with a cleaning and then proceed from there. Now I just need to figure out how to get out of here. Looks like I'm going to have to go around. It doesn't go where it's supposed to. It goes to the ground. That's nice. That is one masterpiece of a coil transition. We're a little bit big, so we panned that off. We're a little bit tall, so we bumped that up, painted and taped, and then we do somewhat the same thing on the other side. It's just beautiful. Just beautiful. We've got an old Ceramaflex Underwriters Laboratories Incorporated oil-fired furnace. I bet you Steve Lev could make that run. The master of oil furnaces. Got old motors, condensate pumps, old ductwork, all kinds of old crap in here. It's a real beautiful crawl space. Kind of creepy. For being completely inaccessible, that coil is amazingly clean. Wouldn't you say? I guess something's working right. Some customers have a innate ability to recognize quality craftsmanship or workmanship, and I don't always understand how they recognize it, because there's a difference between taking your time to do something properly and not knowing what you're doing and taking forever because you're trying to figure it out as you go along. But as I was leaving this call where I did maintenance, the housewife mentioned that I did a good job and that if I ever owned my own business, I needed to call her. Always makes you feel good when a customer recognizes that you've done your best to service their equipment. So anyway, got her all cleaned up and talked to the customer about upgrading the furnace, dealing with leaky ductwork and etc. And hopefully at some point he will decide to upgrade and we'll go from there. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.